Yo,
Yo,
what's up,
up?
guys? So we are in Legian today, just at the front of the Paddies.
No, that's Pet Bar and Grill, not Paddies.
But somebody asked for that. Unfortunately, this bar belongs closed already for a long time. Anyway, we're gonna stroll around today in Legian Street. Meanwhile, happy birthday, 50th birthday to Aaron from Melbourne, Australia. All the best, mate.
Yay! Happy birthday to you, Aaron.
Okay, and now we're gonna have some dinner because it's already after 6. Alright, so that's how it looks, the Legian Street. We have to pass the street. Unfortunately, part is closed already for a long time. Many people ask us about this place, so I'm sorry, guys. But anyway, the rest of the life in Legian looks like this. Here is the bamboo blonde. Honey, maybe you wanna have a dress, yeah?
Yeah, but look at this one. Even the Cafe Romano Pizza. Oh my god.
Closed.
Over contract here.
Over contract, so everything is over contract here. We're gonna hit into this direction. Maybe Sayan wanna have a look for the dress. Yes? Okay, let's go. Okay, we are out. And honey, did you buy something?
No.
Why?
I don't know. There is no things that I like.
Okay, maybe next time, yeah? So, we are in Legian. Here is some lady, even foreigner. And yeah, this is the Mama's famous place. Not paid endorsement anyway, nothing to even endorse because they are closed already for 1.5 years. And I think we're gonna have a dinner in this place. This is the Vietnamese cuisine. We really like this place already. Also not paid endorsement. However, the traffic in Legian Street at this moment seems a little bit more alive. So that's how it looks like, and we're gonna have some dinner here. We will see Vietnamese, and this is our favorite spot, so we can watch the sunset. Sunset. Legian Street. All right, so our food arrived, post Saigon, and you have also the same. Looks
Chili
nice.
on it.
Smacznego.
Selamat makan.
And meanwhile, the street looks like this. We are after our dinner, Vietnamese food, very nice as always. And now we're gonna show you a little bit of the heart of Legian Street. And this is actually Kuta already. This is the monument of bomb.
Yeah,
in
so
Kuta,
this one is the ground zero where the Bali bomb monument, and we see that some local, what is it called, tourists come here, just stop the car and then take a pictures.
Yeah.
And yeah, seems like the restaurant surrounds still closed. I don't know what's gonna be in the future. I mean, in next year, 2 more
Yeah.
years later.
Still very quiet. I could say more quiet than used to be before. So we're gonna show you a little bit around. And VIP is totally closed and empty. Only security here waiting and listen to music. So it's actually like this. And here also supposed to be a something station, but everything is quiet. And this is the Poppies too. They drinking arak here, I think. Here is the Sky Garden.
And then the famous small lane next to Sky Garden.
Yeah, maybe you are used to walk there and have any interesting stories to tell around that area, just comment below. Okay, to compare to the last time, the 5GX is closed now. Last time was open. So, okay, Sky Garden is permanently closed, so that's the different story. But anyway, it's super deserted here. Engine room,
I
an
think that
overclap.
last
closed.
time when we were here, I mean, like when it's still open, this engine room and also what is it, VIP was still open. And
Everything was actually quiet, empty, but open. But now everything is just totally closed already, and many buildings for
look, even
lease.
this one for lease, Embassy Bali.
Embassy Bali. Yeah, we are heading into famous Banti discotheque area and Paddies. Here is J4 Hotel. If you are interested, maybe you used to stay here after party at night, because that's actually in the hotel in the city center. But well, doesn't look much optimistic if you are looking for the for the future. It's actually disaster, I could say. It's just quiet, empty, deserted.
And here is the famous Apache reggae bar. Normally like live music you see. Jesus
It's as dark as you
Christ.
cannot maybe even see, but here is the Apache. It's super, just simply extremely deserted. Everything here around. Maxi Hotel. Okay, Bounty discotheque over here, but unfortunately is closed totally. Not even security here. I mean, it's nobody here.
I think that last time we made a vlog here, right?
Yeah, we went to Bounty and you was dancing by yourself, but it still was open. We were only alone, but it was open, but not today anymore. And here is the another Paddy's, whatever you call this, also closed. One more shop from the VIP. Bomb monument, now is nobody here, so you have clear image. How does it look like? And here is the Poppies Lane 2, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, there's only several people driving around. All right, here is some horse car. Yo, what's up? And here everything is for lease. This is the Empire Bar. It's so dark as maybe it's hard for you even to see the name. It's Empire over here. Unfortunately, Empire Legian 36. It's for lease, so that means this bar is completely gone. All right, so we used to have our dinner here. We are driving around because we passed actually one bar or club what is open, and we
Bintang or maybe Bintang.
or something like that. So we will see. Here is the lady, and this is the place. It's called
Legian bar.
or something like this. So we will see if it's open and let us in. Okay, it's kind of success. We enter in. This is the name of the place. If you are familiar, if you are thinking, but I'm not sure. All right, guys. So we were in the club. Unfortunately, the music is so loud, so we cannot talk there. However, the club is huge. It's new, modern. It's nice. But I think we were only the one customer here, so it's pretty sad. And it's already the second owner when they open it. They open it during the current situation. And I really don't know what will be the future for this place. I hope so. Probably in the normal conditions, when everything come back to normal, you guys gonna come, will be super busy. But I don't know when that's gonna happen. And currently super quiet. And like we were in the Finns Beach Club in Canggu, actually was busy like 2 weeks ago or something. But here in Legian, Kuta, Legian, I don't know. It's like a different island or different countries. Just nobody here. So. Pretty sad, but yeah.
Yeah, you know that normally in Legian area is famous for the party spot in Bali. But seems like nowadays all the party spots move to Canggu. Either in, Finns Beach Club, La Brisa or other beach club. Seems like the party spot in this Legian. I don't know, maybe not many people interested, or I don't know what to say. But yes, inside it's big, spacious club, what is it called, bar with the swimming pool, and then there is no even minimum spend when you go there. We just buy a coffee and Coke, and
So anyway, if you are in Bali and thinking to try some clubbing, only in Legian this one is open. This is not paid endorsement, however, it's only place what is open. And I think that's it for today's vlog, yeah?
I think that's all our today video from Legian. So how it is night at Legian, this is how it is. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you. Take care, guys.
Bye!